Beware wolves, severe. I'm from where the cameras don't come. Everyone got a body and a gun. Sell cracks and rob to feed their daughter and son. Steal a sale and friend become foes. Little sisters grow up to become hoes. Stick a kid, take the dice game bankroll. You work your gat and all your gold. Cause you was there to get money, but you was mingling in too much. Lost focus got touched. Get back to the facts. Mom smoking crack, your boys catch a sale, all you do. Auntie in the alley giving head smelling like doo-doo. Pops going on the dope bends with a shoot 'em up dope boy friends. Little sis and little bro, gotta get up for school. Gotta grab my vest, can't forget my tool. It's a jungle every day, only the strongest wolf survive. Vest up, arm up, just to bring the kids to school alive. And ain't no safety when the whole world hate me. Why is this the thought of any man from being thrown in a minivan? Justice will never be black, so wear your white robes with your cone hats. You live in the light, my stay where it's dark at. You're welcome to crossover, I don't carry hate. Slim my whole life, I don't carry weight. You gave us guns and drugs and you still shooting. Like we don't kill each other quick enough with your pollution. All problems, no solution, time for the revolution. Bare arms, sleep shooting, cause we ain't going nowhere until end of life, genocide and turn to warfare. Yeah, one take, nigga, severe, beware wolf.